Hi, my name is Dale Dexter, and DexStand is our product. A DexStand is a 24-inch high tripod riser, and its purpose is to get your camera up over the crowd. So if you have tall people walking by a nominally 6-foot tripod, you can now get it all the way up to 8 feet in the air and adjust as needed. The purpose of it is to see the people on stage with a clear line of sight, or if you're in a classroom, you can see the person presenting at the front of the room, things of that nature. The DexStand handles both split foot or spike tripods and round foot tripods, and it does it all with one unique foot box that we've created here. The spikes go here, and on this one I can show you that there is the common rubber yoke that comes up over it, and then we can also utilize the straps and just go through it and hook that in and pull it tight, and then everything is secure. This year we have two different stances, and I'm going to demonstrate this and hand the mic to my friend Matt. So the DexStand starts off from the case like this, and it pulls out like that, and it's ready to go. That is that format right there. This is for a full operator used camera. You put these two pins here, auto lock, but then down at the bottom we put solid pins through the leg, and that way if this is there, it can't go anywhere like that. But this year we can have a compact version for PTZ cameras or smaller footprint needs. Again, we'll put, can't see what I'm doing, put the pin through the leg, and here, through the leg again, and now we're locked in and it's not going to go anywhere. So this is useful for PTZ cameras, or secondary cameras if you're going to have a wide shot and an operator that he can do both jobs at one time, he or she. But let me demonstrate how you put on a round foot tripod. So the round foot tripod has a button here that comes up over to capture it. So it captures here and here and here. And then you would take a strap, give it a couple of wraps, come around again, I didn't lock that one in place, and finally the last one. And the point of this is that now it can't fall off, it can't be accidentally jarred off of the platform, and you can actually lift it up. Now, why would you want to lift it up? Well, you may build it one place, but you may want to move it to another place for better camera angle positioning, and it's all built. You can put your PTZ on top of there, or other small cameras, and as I said before, I can snug it in right there with next to another camera, and the operator can operate both cameras at the same time. So the space savings here is really unique. No one locks the tripod to the tripod riser, so we're very unique in that regard, and we just think it's a good innovation and very useful. People have responded to it very well. So I'm Dale Dexter. We are DexStand.com, and we also have distributorship through MarkerTech. So please visit our website